We're here at Hardware Pioneers 2023 and I'm joined by Gopinath and Thomas at Cavli Wireless. Now, the first thing I'd like to do is head over this way to talk to you about the hardware behind your system. So, describe what it is that you're offering today.
So, we are a new pioneer in an already crowded space of Internet of Things.
Yep.
And Cavli Wireless is a San Jose, California headquartered company, and we are offering an integrated one-stop shop solution for customers if they are keen to get the hardware and the connectivity and device management and the services all in one place. We are the right stop for them to pitch and get what they need. But if the customer just wants our hardware solutions alone, they are most welcome to try that. So we have a variety of products, but in this conversation today, I would like to just focus on a couple of our products.
Yep.
And one of them is what we call is the C16QS. It is a low-cost Qualcomm platform based on the QCX216. And what's unique about this product is that it is one of the most cost-competitive products. And we as Cavli offer it as a European SKU or a Latin American SKU or a North American SKU or a global SKU. And the product has multiple iterations behind it. It can come with GNSS, without GNSS, with eSIM, embedded SIM, and it can also be enabled with our cloud connectivity platform as well. So it is like pretty much whatever a customer developing a solution needs, he can get it all in one go, or he can pick and choose what he wants. And we have, for example, for a customer you're developing a product in the fleet management or tracking space, we have enabled a few features like separate power systems for the cellular aspect and separate power system for the GPS tracking. And thereby they can optimize the power management and also have a very, very cost optimized solution. And there's one more product I would like to talk about, and that is what we call the C41QS, which is probably one of the smallest NB IoT products in the world. And this product again is based on Qualcomm QCX212, and this is another interesting product which we will offer with GNSS, with eSIM. And this product has also ability to be connected to our cloud. And there are millions and millions of devices out there which can be connected using this NB IoT technology. And the last product I would like to talk about today is C42QM. The C42QM is also a Qualcomm product based on MDM9205. And in this product, what we try to offer is a global connectivity. So a single product which you can ship anywhere in the world. It's called LTE M, NB IoT with 2G fallback. And also all the bells and whistles which I just explained, eSIM and GNSS and cloud connectivity. And one more additional thing is coming in the next couple of months. We have going to enable this product with satellite connectivity, what we call as non-terrestrial networks. So you get a single product which can be talking to you and to your cloud, whether it's on land or on sea, because the satellite connectivity will enable it to be a bi-directional communication platform for your product, and your product can tell where it is. Your solution can tell you where it is, depending if it's even if it's on the sea.
And so that's going to be quite useful for asset tracking as you go on long journeys across the ocean.
Absolutely, yeah. So I have a lot more to say, but in the interest of time, I would rather have my colleague here, Thomas, who can speak about the cloud and connectivity here.
Absolutely. Right, well, let's move over here with Thomas to see the cloud connectivity solution. So could you go ahead and go through what's going on here?
Yeah, so I just, as just said by my colleague Gopi, we are first a module maker. We can provide the module only without the connectivity. So this is our business core. It's the module. And once our customers wants to have, or I would say activate the option for connectivity, we can also provide to them the eSIM inside the module, the coverage for the connectivity, and the platform to manage the module and the connectivity. So we are not only providing here a connectivity solution as a classic one, I would say. It's more like a services that includes module management, such as here, as you can see, device management. You can see as well here data plan management. You can see as well group management. And we can also provide some services for messaging, such as API, MQTT broker, and all that. So basically, we can provide the whole blocks for our customers to implement their module and activate from the module and with the platform the whole solution for connectivity. So we can become basically the only IoT connectivity partner for our customers. So we are first, I repeat, a module maker, and then we can extend the offer by adding the connectivity layers with the eSIM, the coverage, and the platform, which is very rich here. Yeah.
Now, if I got the presentation slides and I was going through it, and I was quite interested by what was offered. And if I remember correctly, I believe I read something about over-the-air updates about changing operators and providers. Is that correct?
Yeah, so basically, as many, I would say, connectivity platform, we can provide the FOTA. This is more like a classic feature. We can provide this through many of our services for messaging, so it's pretty kind of common. But the FOTA is one of the main features, that's true.
Yeah. And so that's quite useful if you've got a lot of devices around the world in different areas, and you might need to make remote changes to those.
Yeah, so basically what you can do remotely with this platform is the FOTA. This is kind of very important because once you have more features and people wants to add the features in their actually deployed device, they can do the FOTA directly. But also you can remotely monitor the modules and the connectivity. So in the module there is around 45 parameters that you can see on the module, such as PSM status, EDRS status, signal strength, IMSI, IMEI. So it's very, very rich, and you can have instant live data about the module itself. And as well, you can see the behavior of the network. You can download how much data you have consumed. You can see how much, when it was connected, when not. You can also activate, suspend. There are many kind of, I would say, button or features that can help you monitor and control well your fleet of devices. And this includes the FOTA. That's true.
And I suppose just before we end this video, I've got one question for you. For the viewers who are watching this out there, if they wanted to get into these modules and this software, what would you recommend?
So if they want to try out and understand what is the value and the added value of Cavli Wireless, what we always advise is to purchase a kit or some samples or some LGA or NPCIe formats, whatever they want to use to test it. But the best way would be to have an eval kit that we have for all of our modules. And from that point, they can test the module itself and the connectivity platform.
Well, it was absolutely a pleasure to meet you today here, and thank you ever so much, Thomas, for taking the time. And for those out there, if you want to know more about Cavli Wireless, then check out the link in the description.